Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Hotmail on all devices quickly and safely. Whether you've signed in on a friend's computer or left your account open on a shared device, this method will ensure your emails stay private and secure. Let's dive in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Outlook website. Click the Sign In button and enter your Hotmail account details if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to your mail, usually found at the top of the screen, which will take you to your inbox next. Look for your profile icon in the upper right corner and click it. From the options that appear, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account overview page where all your settings are managed. Now, focus on security. Click the Security tab, and you may be asked for extra verification, like a code sent to your phone or email. This is just an added layer of protection. Once verified, scroll down to find your account and devices options. Finally, click Sign Out Everywhere. This action will log your Hotmail account out from all devices currently signed in, keeping your account secure while you're here. It's a good idea to review your recent activity to make sure everything looks right. Logging out everywhere isn't just about security. It's about peace of mind. Knowing your personal information stays personal, make this a habit, especially if you often use shared or public devices. And that's it. You're now safely logged out of Hotmail on all devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.